but I pay my credit cards off every month. I get that a lot from people who say, hey, my credit report shows me with my credit card balance is maxed out, but I pay off my credit cards every month. What's the deal? Why is it doing that? And here's why. While paying off your credit cards every month is a good idea, that way you're not really charged any interest on your credit cards. The problem is that the credit card issuers, they only report to the credit bureaus once a month, and you don't know which day that is. So very often that might be the day when your credit card balances are maxed out. So then you go somewhere to buy a car or get a mortgage and they run your credit report and it shows all your balances maxed out, and that can hurt your score, sometimes up to 100 points or more. So the solution is, if you're going to use your credit for something in the near future, you're going to apply for a mortgage, you're going to apply for a car loan, get your credit card balances down to at least less than 30% of the credit limit and keep them there throughout the whole loan process, from the time you apply for the loan, they run your credit until it gets approved. And then you can go back to just, using them as much as you want, paying it off every month. It'll make a big difference in the score you see when they run your credit. So if you have any credit report issue, if you've got a low credit score, if you need some help trying to figure out how to increase your score, contact me. I'll give you a free credit report analysis and estimate.